Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. So it's the beginning of the month and you know what that means. I got my BoxyCharm box. Yeah, so I have my November BoxyCharm box. I got some pretty cool things in this box. So if you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm box, stay tuned. So two things that I got in my BoxyCharm this month are eye mask. This is from Vitamask. I guess I'm saying that, Vitamask. I have a morning Google eye mask to brighten and protect, and the evening Google eye mask repair and relax. These masks, this set is coming in at $12. I am going to use the morning Google eye mask. It is a cooling eye mask to depuff, brighten, and infuse with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protections. So let's see what this mask looks like. Oh, so this is the mask. I don't know if you can tell, it has some stars on it. So here we have the mask, and I'm going to just smooth this over onto the eye area. It is nice and cooling. So this is the eye mask. We're gonna let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I have removed the mask. Face looks a little brighter. Feel a little fresh. It refreshed. It was cooling, so that was okay. It was a nice little mask. Something cute to do just to relax or in the morning really quick. It says it was supposed to depuff, but I just have puffy eyes under my eyes anyway, always have, so I don't know. All right, so now what I want to do is I am going to use the Ypres Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This was another item. This was like a major item in my BoxyCharm box. This was actually an item that I selected. It says to apply several drops to clean skin morning and night, like a hydrator. You can use this to hydrate your skin. It has antioxidants, amino acids, and an array of other botanicals. So we're going to add a few drops of this. Let's see. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's see what this looks like. So we're going to take a few drops. 3. And I'm going to apply this on my fingertips and then just apply it around my skin. I really don't have to focus around the eye area because I just did that mask. I'm going to put that in all over and let it dry. It has a slight scent to it, but it's not like really loud and overbearing. It is melting into the skin. As you guys know, I have oily skin, so we'll see how this does. So far, I like the way it feels. It did melt right into my skin. Has a nice little glow. It says that you can use this day and night. I would definitely probably use this at night, but I like it, and the retail value is $90. So yeah. Okay, so I've primed my face. I did a little bit of color correcting, and now I want to add some foundation to my face. And what I got in my box this month was a 2-piece brush set. This set is strictly made for BoxyCharm. It comes with these two brushes. And these brushes, it said that this brush, which is a larger brush, can be used for foundation. It really didn't specify what you can use a smaller brush for, but I'm thinking concealer, maybe contouring, or if you use a liquid bronzer or something like that, I will use it for this. So let's see what this brush does. Okay, it blends out really well. But I am seeing nah. Okay. So I don't know. So it feels good. It's nice and soft, and it is firm enough to blend out your foundation. However, I don't know if it's because I just used it and maybe I should have sprayed it or something, but like the bristles from the brush were coming out. But other than that, and it's kind of stopped now that I've kept using it. Other than that, this is a pretty legit brush for a foundation brush. It blends really well, a nice finish. It's not a lot of streaking. The only issue that I have is these bristles. Like, what is that about? Am I hitting it too hard? I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my complexion and I'll be right back. It's time to get into the next item in my BoxyCharm box. That is an eye palette by Dominique Cosmetics, and it is the Celestial Thunder eye palette. This is what it looks like. It has 8 shades and it is retailing at $35. These are the shades. So let's try to make a eye look, shall we? Okay, so the first color I'm going to use in this palette is Lunar Eclipse, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. For my crease, I'm going to use Storm Dust. So I'm going to say, so far these colors are okay. They're not as pigmented feel like I'm having like it's taking a little longer to blend them in and see it, but I mean, it's okay. It's a nice little soft, it's a nice palette. It's just not as pigmented as I would like. So for my lid, I'm going to use Fireball, and I'm going to spray my brush a little bit. And I'm just going to pack that in the lid. Now that's pretty. So for my outer corner, I'm going with the Zero Gravity. For my inner lid, I'm going to use Eternal Light. Take that down on the bottom part as well. So I keep looking at this Mystic Ice. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of that and just put it, yep, along my lash line. So the last thing that I have in my BoxyCharm is a lip color. And this is Dose of Color Matte Lipstick. And the color that I have is Nude Mode. So let's just do a quick little swatch so you guys can see what that looks like. And that's that. So we're going to pop this on the lip, and then we'll be done. So I'm going to use my Saint Laurent lip liner. I got this in a previous BoxyCharm box. And I do overlay my lips a little bit just to give it some definition. So let's see what this color looks like. Okay. It is a matte, so I didn't put a lot on there, but I really like the way it complements. I don't know what's going on. I like the way it complements with this liner. And this is like, this is a go-to lip combo for me, so it works. And there you have it. Did I say you how much this is? So the value for this Dose of Color lipstick is $18. So there you have it. This is the final look. This was my November's BoxyCharm. If you guys like this format of the video, please let me know down in the comment section. It was a challenge. It did take me a little longer than just pulling stuff out the box and showing you guys what I got. But hey, you don't grow unless you're challenged. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.